So this is the 2014 Junior Cert Ordinary Level Paper 2 and we're looking at question number 12. The towns A, B and C are shown in the diagram below. The distance between A and B is 11 kilometers. The distance between B and C is 8 kilometers. The angle at C is a right angle. So here we have our diagram. Part 1 says write down the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle ABC. Well, the hypotenuse will be the longest side, and it will also be the side that's directly across from the right angle. So this is our hypotenuse here. Part 2 says the angle X is marked in the diagram. Write down the length of the side opposite the angle X. So the angle X is here. So the side opposite X would be this one here, which is 8 kilometers. Part 3 says find the sin of X, or the sine of X. Well, the sine of X, you should know that the sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse. And this is in your tables book as well. If you don't remember it, you can find it there. So the sine of X is the opposite, which is 8, over the hypotenuse, which is 11. And finally, part 4 says use your answer to part 3 to find the size of the angle X. Give your answer correct to the nearest degree. Well, if the sine of X is 8 over 11, then X will be the inverse sine of 8 over 11. So on your calculator, you hit the shift button, then sine, and then put in the fraction 8 over 11. And you get an answer of 46.658 and so on degrees. And they've asked to give our answer correct to the nearest degree. So to the nearest degree, we're going to look at the digit in the first position after the decimal. So does this 6 affect the 6 in front? Yes, it does. So that's going to become 47 degrees to the nearest degree. And that's the end of the question.